Ekal Gramutthan Foundation is working for holistic rural and tribal development across Bharat. Our mission is clear: skill development, digital literacy, women empowerment, sustainable agriculture, and self-employment. Our only ambition is Seva, Shiksha, and Swavalamban. In 2025, Ekal Gramutthan Foundation worked systematically to expand this access by establishing new centers, strengthening existing programs, and reaching deeper into underserved regions. In just 11 months, Ekal Gramutthan Foundation expanded from 240 to 267 projects. This growth reflects strong grassroots demand and trust from communities and donors alike. 42 new project inaugurations include 27 women empowerment centers, 8 computer training labs, 5 integrated village development projects, and 2 skill development centers. From the hills of Jammu Kashmir to the tribal heartlands of Karnataka and Maharashtra, these centers are now beacons of opportunity. The majority of new centers focus on women empowerment and digital education, two areas identified as critical for long-term rural progress. Integrated village development. IVD centers bring together education, health awareness, agriculture support, and skill training under one integrated model. 32,421 beneficiaries trained in 2025. Women Empowerment Centers. WECs provide women with market-relevant skills such as stitching, beautician training, and vocational education. 12,803 women beneficiaries. Ekal on Wheels. EOW takes computer education directly to remote villages through mobile units. 15,261 beneficiaries trained. Computer Training Labs. CTLs focus on digital literacy, employability skills, and computer fundamentals. 2,574 beneficiaries. Skill Development Centers. SDCs offer multi-skill training by combining women empowerment and digital education. 1,250 beneficiaries. Organic Compost Training. Organic compost training promotes sustainable agriculture. Farmers learn eco-friendly methods that reduce costs and improve soil health. 1,930 farmers trained. Together, these projects created large-scale measurable impact across Bharat. More than 65,000 beneficiaries have been trained in 2025. To broaden livelihood opportunities, EGF launched multiple new vocational programs including mobile repairing, beautician course, electrician course. Beyond numbers, we have focused on excellence. A landmark achievement this year was our partnership with the Indira Gandhi National Tribal University to provide joint certification, adding formal academic value to our vocational training. Master training programs, upgraded computer and English trainers across centers. Alumni were engaged as mobilizers, creating jobs and deeper community connect. Cyber security awareness, new job-oriented courses, and a standardized digital curriculum further strengthened our program, while organic farming and large-scale plantation drives reinforced environmental sustainability. In the last of November, EGF introduced a new and inspiring initiative, Run for Ekal in Chamrajnagar. A 160-kilometer relay run was truly a tribute to education, empowerment, and the unstoppable spirit of Bharat. Transparency is our cornerstone. In 2025, we were honored to host 22 impactful donor visits, allowing our supporters to witness the transformation firsthand. Our performance remained strong. with the Women Empowerment Centers consistently exceeding their operational targets. At Ekal Gramothan Foundation, festivals are more than celebrations. They are lessons in values, unity and culture. From Republic Day and Independence Day to Vasant Panchami, Mahashivratri and Ganga Dashera. From Holi, Ram Navami and Janmashtami to Ganesh Chaturthi, Navratri and Diwali. Our centers celebrate each festival with learning, creativity and community participation. Through yoga sessions, plantation drives, cultural programs and value-based activities, festivals become moments of togetherness and growth. As 2025 concludes, our commitment to scaling responsibly and deepening community ownership remains unwavering. 42 inaugurations, 267 active projects, thousands of transformed lives. Ekal Gramothan Foundation moves forward with a clear commitment.